In the arena of life where mediocrity prowls like a shadow, 2024 beckons us to rise above the ordinary and stake our claim in the realm of greatness. This is not the year for half-hearted resolutions or feeble attempts at self-improvement. No, 2024 demands more. It demands a relentless pursuit of audacious goals, a commitment to excellence that leaves no room for excuses. As the clock ticks away, your goals for 2024 must be more than a mere wish list. They must be a declaration of war against complacency. It's time to stop tiptoeing through life and start stomping your way to success. Here's your wake-up call, delivered with an unapologetically harsh tone. Because greatness doesn't whisper, it screams, and it's high time you started listening. First and foremost, obliterate the notion of realistic goals. Realism is the refuge of the uninspired and the excuse of the defeated. Your goals should be colossal, towering monuments that make others gasp in disbelief. Set your sights on the stars, not on the muddy ground beneath your feet. If your goals don't scare you, they're not big enough. This year, be audacious. Strive for the impossible, because only in the pursuit of the impossible do we discover our true potential. Now, let's talk about discipline, the unsung hero of success. No more late nights spent scrolling mindlessly through social media. No more excuses for skipping the gym. Discipline is the crucible where dreams are forged, and if you're not willing to embrace it, you might as well resign yourself to a year of stagnation. The harsh truth is that success is not convenient. It demands sacrifice, sweat, and unyielding commitment. So get comfortable being uncomfortable, because that discomfort is the currency you'll pay for the life you crave. Excuses are the enemy, and in 2024, they're off the table. No more blaming circumstances, genetics, or the alignment of the stars. Your fate is not written in the cosmos. It's written by your actions. The world doesn't owe you success. You owe yourself the effort it takes to achieve it. Excuses are crutches for the weak, and this year, you're leaving them behind. Every setback is an opportunity to showcase your resilience. Every obstacle is a chance to prove your mettle. Embrace challenges like a warrior, and let your victories resonate like thunder. Surround yourself with the right tribe. The people you choose to associate with will either lift you higher or drag you down. Evaluate your inner circle ruthlessly. If there are anchors weighing you down, cut them loose. You don't have time for negativity or naysayers. Seek out those who inspire, challenge, and elevate you. Forge alliances with the ambitious, the driven, and the relentless. Your network should be a reflection of your aspirations, not a collection of dead weight. Remember, you are the sum of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose wisely. Embrace failure as a stepping stone, not a stumbling block. In the harsh landscape of ambition, failure is not the end. It's a pit stop on the road to success. If you haven't failed, you haven't tried hard enough. Every setback is a lesson, and every lesson is a chance to evolve. Don't fear failure. Fear the stagnation that comes from playing it safe. 2024 is not the year for the timid, it's the year for the bold, the daring, and the resilient. When you fall, rise with a vengeance. Let failure be the fuel that propels you to greater heights. Lastly, be ruthless in prioritizing your time. Time is your most precious asset, and wasting it is a luxury you can't afford. Evaluate your daily activities with a critical eye. Are they bringing you closer to your goals, or are they mere distractions masquerading as productivity? Cut out the time wasters, the energy vampires, and the mindless pursuits. Focus on what truly matters. Your time is a non-renewable resource. Spend it on activities that contribute to your growth, both personally and professionally. In conclusion, 2024 is not a year for the faint of heart. It's a battleground where dreams clash with reality, and only the resilient emerge victorious. Set colossal goals, embrace discipline, eliminate excuses, curate your tribe, learn from failure, and prioritize your time ruthlessly. This is your year to crush it, to leave an indelible mark on the canvas of life. So, gear up, tighten your laces, and charge into 2024 with the ferocity of a warrior. Unleash the beast within and let the world bear witness to your ascent to greatness.